1. Web table data changes instantly when you publish the Google Sheet. 2. You can change font size, color and other formatting from Google Sheet itself. 3. You can change cell background color from Google Sheet. 4. If you do conditional formatting on Google Sheet table, the effect will take place on the web table. 5. Hyperlinks will show a preview in a 6. YouTube or presentation links from Slideshare will open in a separate pop-up. Users watch the video then and there only. 7. You can attach some types forms URL that will open in another pop-up. User can fill the form without going to another tab. 8. If Google Sheet table contains formula, the result will show in the web table.